Hey, Jerry Hawk 250 here. Get ready to do a sprocket change. I'm dropping from, I think this is a 45. I'm not exactly sure that's on the bike, but I'm dropping down to a 42. It's a JTR 857.40. First thing we're going to do is make sure we got it up on the jack, which I already got it on. And this is a pretty nice little scissor jack, works great. Here we go. First thing I do is get the axle off. That's going to take an 8mm on this side, and the other side is a 20. And yes, we need to remove the, I'll take this chain off before I pull the axle out. It just so happened I'm right on the master link. So we'll take a pair of one of those pliers. Let's see if I can pop that off. Like so. And I'll drop that out the way. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'll be able to pull this tire way out, so I'll probably hit the fender. And I don't want to have to undo all this. I should be able to remove the sprocket like it is. And I'll have to jack this up a little higher. Like so. These are 15mm. Get it up a little higher here. There we go. Now, this will all come right out. It's not marked, but I'm almost positive it's a 45. It may be 46 tooth. So hopefully, a new 40 tooth here fits right on. And this is actually the same sprocket that's on the Yamaha V-Star 250. And there we go. We'll stick our cushion. Hub cushion back in. And we'll set this back in place. Now we got it back in there. Then I'm going to try to wiggle this back in place. And try to lower everything back down. And make sure my brake rotor is going back in between the pads. And it is. So yeah, after a little wiggling around here, I finally got it back on. So next thing to do, I'll have to, while I'm cutting the chain, because with a smaller sprocket, I don't think we'll be able to make it up. All right, got that finally fed around there. I'll push this as far forward as I can. So what I want you to do is figure out how many leaks I need to take off. So it looks like I need to take off these two. So my chain breaker out. What you're going to do is take two links out. 1, 2. Use the chain breaker. You can get these at Harbor Freight, Amazon. And basically, all you're going to do is push this pin out. And the chain breaker just makes it a whole lot easier. I bet if I use a ratchet on this thing. Like so. Just about all the way out. There it is. And just like that, I removed 2 links. So I should be able to slide this right back in. And put this back on. You wanted this in right here, facing the direction of the chain rotation. And snap it back in place like that. Now all you do is adjust the chain. And once we get this adjusted, then I'll snug down the axle bolt. That looks pretty close. Get the other side. Back this one off a little bit. So we got them evenly. All right, look like I got them about evenly set back. And find my 18mm socket. Back up on this side. And make sure the chain is not, it's actually aligned, which it is. Don't hear it dragging on the sprocket anywhere. And I'll tighten this manually. And I'll lubricate this while it's up on the stand. So yeah, once I get this lube up, I'll take it out for a little ride and do a little short video. And we got to remember to, now that I've got the axle tightened down, to go ahead and lock these in place. Alright, all done. Just lower it back down and get ready to go take it for a little ride. Do a little test ride on it. This little jack is nice. You can notice jack just the right height. Slide under here. I got a good flat platform, flat frame underneath here, so this works real nice. So yeah, let's get back to the original sprocket. So the original sprocket is a 45 tooth. I just counted them. And I got a 40 tooth from there right now, so it'll drop RPMs down at the higher speeds. Yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out Venom Motorsports. Use a discount code JerryHawk250. You can get $50 off their any bike over $600. And also check out my website, JerryHawk250.com.